On the third day, this message goes, okay. So this is a starting step. Okay, this is a starting step. Obviously, this step is on the fifth day. Okay, you can set it up. I will show you how to set it up also. Okay, so on the fifth day, they receives this first message. Hi, how are you? Hope our tips and tricks are helping you. Just wanted to check personally that everything is fine with your order and you are completely satisfied on using your product. Are you enjoying it? Any issues at all? Okay, now there are three buttons that the customer can click. It's amazing, it's okay, I am not satisfied. Now once they click it's amazing or it's okay, same message goes. Okay, that's amazing, I am so happy that you are loving this product, we hope you buy from us again and would also be very thankful if you told your friends about it. Okay, this was the message. And again let me show you the another one. Once they click it's okay, so the same message goes whether they click it's okay or it's amazing, because it is a positive feedback, right? Positive reply they are giving. Now once they click no, I am not satisfied, then what happens? So let me just show it to you. Once they click I am not satisfied, then thank you for your feedback. We are very serious about customer feedback and we want to make sure we are absolutely satisfied. Let me just clear this out so that you can understand it better. Satisfied and happy with your order. Can you please let us know by replying to our message what you didn't like about your product? Type your issue below. Please type in your issue below and we will do whatever necessary to resolve it. Now a box appears. In that box, once they type in their query, then an action is happened. What is the action? I will show you once I go to the flow. Okay, let me show it to you. The action is, you can set the action. Once they type in something, the action that I am using is, it adds a tag to the message. Once they click and type in their query, once a tag is actually added to that, the tag is support request needs attention. So whoever is managing your customer support, once they log into the system, they can answer all the tags. They can filter by tags, and then once they click on the tag support needs attention, they will see what was the issue, who actually asked for that issue, then they can solve and message them personally. Another thing happens is, at the same time when they type in their issue, admins get notified. So whoever is managing your page, they will get notified that someone has typed something, okay, in the support box that you have used. Now it may look a little bit complicated, but after they submit their issue in this free keyboard input, then the next message comes. Thank you for a response, your support ticket has been raised and we will update you within 2 hours. Okay, this is a thing that happened. Let me just show you how it will actually look like in message. So this is a message. Hi Sammy, how are you? Hope your tips and tricks are helping you. Just wanted to check personally that everything is perfect with your order and you are completely satisfied on using your product. Are you enjoying it? Any issues at all? So they will click it's amazing. If they click it's amazing, obviously you know what is going to come. That's amazing. I am so happy you are loving the product. We hope you buy from us again and would love to also be super thankful if you told your friends about it. Again, the same message will go if they click it's okay also. Okay, so the same message will come, but the same message will not come if they click I am not satisfied. Once they click I am not satisfied, then the next message comes. Thank you for your feedback. We are very serious about customer feedback and we want to make sure you are absolutely satisfied and happy with your order. Can you please let us know by replying to this message what you didn't like with your product? Type your issue below. Please type your issue below. What will do whatever resolve it. So suppose I am the customer, I will type the issue. Suppose handle broken needs replacement. Suppose I am a customer, I have typed this issue. Okay, now you see automated reply will come. Okay, only after I have typed in, then only that will come. Thank you for your response, your support ticket has been raised, we will update you with a solution in next 2 hours. Now once I type in this, whoever was sitting on the customer support or whoever was the admin was notified that there is a message that have appeared, plus the tag is also added in my name that okay, Sammy has asked for support. The tag is also added. Once they click on the tag, they can see all the messages of the support. Now what I want to show you is there are a few other things that we can do. Once they click on it's amazing, Okay, once they click on it's amazing or it's okay, then we can send this thing. Instead of this message, instead of telling them that's amazing, I am so happy, we can also tell them that, okay, we can ask them for review. Now that process I will explain you on the later video. On the second part of the series, I'm going to explain you that. Now, there are some other things that we use to get reviews in automation apart from this, because we send some broadcast with some free gifts. That is an emergency thing, that is a separate thing. So this is one part of the thing. Okay, now if you want me to show you exactly step by step creating this thing and setting up all, then type in the chat section, type in the comment section Amazon FBA. If you type in Amazon FBA and if I get more than 50 reviews on that, I am going to put that second video there. So type in that Amazon FBA and I'll set this up for you in front of you.